In this video, I will show you step by step how you can get from zero as a complete beginner to your first $100 paid directly to your bank account. It doesn't matter where you're coming from. People all over the world are making free PayPal money by using this new platform where you can sign up in less than 60 seconds and start making money right away. And I will show you real proof that this actually works. So if you are excited for this as much as I am, then make sure you drop a like to this video, leave a thumbs up, because it will really help keep growing the channel and bring you the latest strategies in making money online. If you really want to make money online, and if you do appreciate me doing all the research for you, just take a second to tap that like button down below. First of all, I want to show you proof that this actually works. So once again, you can see all these people from all over the world are being paid with this website. You can see all these PayPal payments right here that are being sent to them almost every single hour, and they're like over 400 pages of payment proofs. So there is definitely a lot of money to be made with this platform. But before we get to it, before I show you how it works and how to sign up to it, there is something else that I want to show you. I want to show you how people are making big money on Instagram. And no, don't worry, you do not need to wait 6 months to build your Instagram page. You do not need millions of followers. You do not need to have a big page like this. You do not need to have to sell any products. You do not need to do any affiliate marketing or whatsoever. I just want to show you how people are making money on Instagram, and you will see why that is very important for today's strategy that we have never shared before on this channel. This is a brand new strategy that we have never talked about earlier on this channel, and I'm sure you are going to love it. So stay tuned to see exactly what we are talking about here. But first of all, there are two different ways people make money on Instagram. They either put some link in their bio to wherever they want to promote, whether that's an affiliate offer, whether that's their own product, their own website, wherever they want to promote, they will put a link in the bio. So all the people that follow them can see that link on the bio, and they can click on the link, and they will probably, the owner of the page will make money just by having the link on the bio. So for example, let me take you back to the computer, and then I will show you other examples that are making thousands of dollars per month. So as you can see on this Instagram page, which is called Fitness True Connect, it has got 1 million followers. They've got just over 1,000 posts, and you can see all the content over here is fitness and healthy related. But the most important thing is this link over here. They getting all the traffic through the Instagram page, and they sending people to a different website. So stay tuned, because I'm gonna show you how you can actually do the same and make thousands of dollars per day. So if we click, for example, on this website, let's see which website they're gonna send us to. And as you can see, they're sending us what they're selling is they're selling workouts that they can have on the App Store and Google Play. So let's have a look at another website. For example, this one is Fitness Tutorials IG. They have 1.2 million followers, and as you can see, they're posting pictures and videos, very simple. And as you can see here, if you click on the link, they actually sending us to another link, which is an e-commerce store. They are selling pajamas, they are selling stuff for kids, stuff for pets. So as you can see, anything that you put on the description, doesn't matter what you're selling, you can send them to, and you, as long as you have the traffic, people will buy from you. So another thing I want to show you is, once that you have enough followers into your account, I'm gonna show you a few websites where you can monetize your content by what we call shoutouts. Okay, so if we go to this website, which is called shoutcar.com, you will be able to earn money as influencers. So that means that you will be able to post all these people's content on your Instagram page or your stories, and people will pay you. They can pay you anywhere from $100 to $250 or sometimes even more for a shout out that will last 24 hours, and it will depend on how many followers you have. So one of the websites is called shoutcard.com, as I said, and then you can go to the button and click for influencers, and then you can just click on register for free. Okay, and then another website I want to show you is called Buy Shell Shoutouts. Okay, and as you can see here, this is another website where if you have enough followings on your Instagram account, which here it says at least you need to have 50,000 followers, but they will do all the marketing for you, and then this is how much you could realistically earn. So they say that, for example, a popular page can earn $100 per permanent shout out. Here's an example of earnings below, minus the commission. So $100 minus 30% commission they get. If they do 5 shoutouts a week for $70, that will get $350, the money that you actually take everything for yourself. Okay, so imagine if you have enough followers on your Instagram account, you could register with these websites and start earning money as shoutouts. But this is just one way where you can monetize with your Instagram page, and keep watching because I'm gonna show you more ways where you can actually make money. So another website I want to show you where you can monetize your content as an influencer, you can go to Shoutify.io influencer, and again here it gives you the option to get paid as an influencer by selling shoutouts. So if you go into I'm an influencer, it's as simple as, you know, obviously you have to have a high quality Instagram audience, but I'm gonna show you how you can get Instagram's accounts in no time and with thousands of followers. So you can click on get started and it will take you into the next step where you have to register and so on. So the first step for today, I want you to go to a different website which is called fameswap.com. For now, what we're going to do is you will register, but keep watching until the end of this video because there are so many steps to follow on today's strategy, so I can direct you exactly on what you have to do and you can have the same success that other people are having. But for now, you will need to sign up with this FameSwap, which is a website where you can buy Instagram accounts and YouTube channels. Okay, and you can browse through all the different listings, and trust me, you can get Instagram accounts with thousands of followers for a very cheap price. Okay, so this will be step number one. Step number two, we're gonna go into research and we're gonna do research on the possible niches you're gonna work with for your Instagram page and for your business. Okay, so on this case, this is a list of all the different niches you could choose from, but in this case we're gonna focus on health and fitness. Okay, and the first step that we'll allow you to do is you're gonna go to a different website which is called UII.io, and in this website you're gonna get money by every visitor who visits your URL. Yeah, this is correct. This is a link shortener. What will happen is you will shorten your links here, and when people click on your links, you are going to get paid. Okay, and it says why join us. You know, you can get all the information over here, and as well the payment proof. Okay, payment proof that people are actually getting paid every single day. And as you can see here, there are more than 400 pages of results from the people are getting on the daily basis. So this website actually pays you. Okay, and once that you sign up, this is how the dashboard will look. This is a brand new account, but then what you have to do is over here you can just click on manage your links. You will see all your links over here, and then if you want to create your links, I will show you how you can actually do this. You can click on new shorten link, but first, before we start shortening your links, we have chosen the niche that we want to work. We say health and fitness. So what you have to do, you need to go into Google and you need to look for articles will talk about this. Okay, so for example, you're gonna put how to lose weight fast, and you're gonna select the 5 first articles, or well, not 5 first, but you can check which articles are best. Okay, so you can do some research, and for example, if you select this one, you can go through different one, and just articles that actually, you know, are very well written, and they could add value to your potential customers. Okay, so once that you have your articles chosen, what you're gonna do is you will click on your article, you'll get the title, and then you're gonna come back to the page to uii.io, and then you will put the name over here, and then you have to get the URL. So once that you get the URL, let's click on it, let's get the URL. So we'll go back to the website, and then we'll get the URL, and then it will shorten the link. Okay, it says the alias is too big, so then let's say weight lost. So you can put the alias that you want. Okay, once that you have your alias, what you will do is you will just copy your link, and then you can click on your dashboard. Let's go into all your links, and you can see your link will appear here with the title of the article. Okay, and you're gonna be wondering, okay, so what do I do with all these links, and how do I start to get paid? Okay, so this is another trick. You're gonna come to a different website which is called linktree.ee. okay, you click on get started for free, and this website, actually, let me show you, it will give you the option to be able to put your articles over here and get your links and get paid every single time that people click on your links. Okay, so you will sign up for free. Let's sign up quickly. So once you're signed up, you can go with the free account, and then wanna sign up, and then continue to Linktree. And as you can see here, it will display how it will look, okay, in your account. And what you have to do is you have to add your new link. You can just add the link over here, okay, and then we can get the copy of you can get the name of the article, how to lose weight in 3 simple steps. And then you will be doing this, okay, and you will be doing this for every single article that you have. Okay, so same thing with the other articles. So you have to select which are the articles that you're gonna choose, and then once that you come into Linktree, once that you keep adding, you know, you can add a new link over here, you know, lose weight or whatever is called the article, and then the same thing, you will get you will add the URL over there, and so on. So then it will display with 5 different options over here where you can get paid when anyone you know, clicks on the link. Okay, so this is actually great. So what you have to do is, once there are a couple of options where you could monetize this. Okay, so first step that I told you is come to FameSwap, where you can buy your Instagram account. So let's check what's available. Let's browse. Okay, just go into Instagram, browse all Instagram accounts, and then you can see that we said that the minimum that we have that we need was 50,000 followers to start getting paid in which one of the platforms, one of the shell-out platforms. It was 50,000 followers that you have to have. Okay, so with 50,000 followers, this will be $1,500. It's very expensive, but you can actually buy other accounts. This one, for example, $14,100. That, you know, that's very good. This one, 20,000 followers, $190. So what you could do is you could buy Instagram accounts with a lot of followers already. What you have to do is just change your content. So this will be the fastest way, so you can grow your Instagram account, and then go sign up to these shout out platforms, register once that you have your followers, and start getting paid for shoutouts. This is one way of monetize it. And the other way to monetize it is you will go into Instagram, you will create your page, and then you will put your links over here for the link tree. You will just need to do you just need to add one link which will direct you to this page. Okay, so this link actually is the one that will direct them to the page of Linktree, where they can see your 5 different articles and get paid for every single article that you do. Okay, so this is actually great. This is the way that you could actually monetize with your links. So what I advise you to do is, I say, the fastest way will be to come to FameSwap and buy your account. Otherwise, if you are on a budget, then there is no another option that you're gonna have to put time, to grow your Instagram account. But once that you grow your Instagram account to thousands of followers, as you can see over here, they got 2,000 posts. So 2,000 posts, well, you can do it in, it depends, in a couple of months. And then if you have very good content, you can get to thousands of followers in no time. And you can see over here the account is very, very simple. And then they send them to a Shopify store where they're selling stuff for pajama, for kids, and so on. And they just getting pictures of women lifting weights and so on, which I'm sure they will be copyright free. And this is simple. It just take a couple of minutes per day. You can in a day you can put like 5 posts, 5 to 10 posts very, very easily, so you can grow your profile very, very quickly. Then you will get your link over here from Linktree, and then you will be advertising your 5 different articles, get paid every single time that someone clicks on the article, and then as well get paid as an influencer. Okay, so this is all for today's strategy, guys. I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that you implement it, and please comment below when you start getting money out of this strategy, because it will make me really, really happy. And as well, if you found value on this video, please give me a massive thumbs up, because this will really help to keep growing the channel and keep bringing you content like this, so I can share the latest strategies on digital marketing. And as well, if you are interested in making thousands of dollars per day and don't spend as much time, I have left a link into the description. Okay, so go into the first link into the description. I'm gonna give you a free bonus training where you can start making thousands of dollars per month. Okay, so a free bonus training so you can get started to make thousands of dollars a month selling high ticket products online. Okay, so as I said, this is all for today's strategy. I hope that you have an awesome day and an awesome week, and I will see you on the next video. Take care for now, guys.